Well, most CELPIP candidates believe their reading score is low because their English is weak. But that is not the real problem. The real problem is reading inefficiently. They read every word, they waste time, they panic, and they lose accuracy. But CELPIP 9 and CELPIP 10 candidates use a completely different system. They read faster and more accurately. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to increase your reading speed without losing accuracy for CELPIP 2026. Why reading slowly actually reduces accuracy? First, let's understand something important. Reading slowly does not improve your score. It often reduces your score because slow reading overloads your brain loses focus, you forget information, you become mentally fatigued. CELPIP reading is not testing how carefully you read. It is testing how efficiently you locate answers. High scorers do not read everything. They read strategically. This improves both speed and accuracy. Now here is a big breakthrough insight. CLB 9 candidates do not read faster naturally. They use a different reading method. So let's look at that method. So strategy 1. Reading question first. The first speed strategy is very simple. Read the question first, not the passage. The question tells you exactly what information to locate. This prevents unnecessary reading. Your brain becomes focused. You search for specific information. This increases reading speed immediately. Strategy 2. Keyword scanning technique. The second strategy is keyword scanning. Identify keywords in the question. Then scan the passage for matching or paraphrased keywords. Do not read every sentence. Scan strategically. Once you locate the keyword area, read carefully. This improves speed and accuracy. At this point, reading becomes faster. But the next strategy is what prevents accuracy loss. So let's look at that. So strategy 3, paraphrase recognition. That is more important. CELPIP really repeats exact keywords. It uses paraphrasing. For example, increase may appear as rise. Problem may appear as issue. High scorer recognize meaning, not exact words. This prevents confusion and again improves accuracy. Now let's talk about strategy 4, that is answer confirmation technique. Before selecting an answer, confirm meaning. Do not select answers based on familiar words. Confirm that the meaning matches exactly. This prevents trap answer mistakes. Again, maintains accuracy. Well, this is where most candidates lose marks. They rush without confirming meaning. Strategic readers verify before selecting. This protects their score. Now let's talk about strategy 5, that is time allocation system. Time control is critical. Do not spend too much time on one question. Move forward. Return later if needed. This maintains reading flow. Now let's talk about final summary. So let's summarize the speed and accuracy system. Read questions first, scan for keywords, recognize paraphrasing, confirm meaning, and control time, which is very important. This is how CLB 9 and CLB 10 candidates read faster without losing accuracy. Again, if your CELPIP reading score is stuck, speed strategy is the solution. Not more reading, but better reading. Well, subscribe now for more CELPIP reading strategies designed for 2026 candidates. And comment below and tell me your current reading scores and I'll help you.